Tanggalin ko na nga to. Naiirita ako sa tirintas para akong si Rapunzel. Hey guys, it's Trisha and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I will be showing you guys what is inside my iPhone. So makikita nyo na makikita nyo na yung nasa loob ng cellphone ko because I want to share to you guys the apps that I'm using for productivity, for my free time, kung wala akong ginagawa, some of my editors. If you want to know what's inside my iPhone, then please keep on watching. My lock screen and my home screen, parehas lang yung wallpaper kasi wala akong time palitan. Wow! So yung wallpaper ko, galing lang siyang sa Google. Thanks so much, Google. The C lang siya kasi ang tagal-tagal ko nang gustong pumunta ng beach pero di ako makapunta. And then may quote lang siya saying, "We rise by lifting others," because I am practicing this attitude and where I want to say something nice to one person every day. So gusto ko siyang ugaliin because some of us don't have any idea how powerful words are. I want to say something nice to some people just to make them smile. I want to practice this attitude of uplifting others, like whenever they're down. Syempre, uplift mo. Alam namang down na nga, down mo pa. Syempre, parang you'll try to cheer them up, comfort some of your friends. When you open my phone, you will see that the second page of my phone is plain lang kasi nga I want to appreciate my wallpaper. And then if we swipe left, ito yung mga widgets ko on the utmost pinaka-left na page ng phone ko. So, ito yung mga easy access lang na isang tingin mo lang, makikita mo na yung mga kaganapan na gusto mong makita. Sa pinakataas is my calendar. So, basically, makikita mo lang siya whenever you have an event for the day. Tanggalin ko na nga to. Naiirita ako sa tirintas para akong si Rapunzel. And then, next one is I have a weather. I don't know why Makati yung nakashow dito. Eh, hindi naman ako taga Makati. Pero ayun, 28 degrees daw sa Makati. In fairness, malamig-lamig doon na. Apple tips, dito ko nakikita yung mga bagong features ng iPhone, yung mga bagong pa-shortcut nila, ganyan. So, andyan yun. And the next one is I have a Bible app. I try to read Bible verses every day. So, that's why nandyan siya. I also have a notification for it every, I think, 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. So, I can read, you know, just to feed the soul and all. I have Merriam-Webster. So, I also have a word of the day. Siyempre, yung papatalo si Merriam. May pa-word of the day din siya. Kasi I also want to learn kahit paunti-unti lang. If wala akong magawa, I read the word of the day para may bago kong kaalaman. Next one is I have the news. So, ewan ko kung bakit puro showbiz halos yung nandito. Then, I also have a study plan. And the study plan is from the app Buzu. I think it's a language app. If you don't know, I'm trying to learn French. So, gusto nyo example? So, correct me if I'm wrong, yung mga manggagaling sa French dyan. Just comment down below how I should pronounce it correctly kasi hindi ko pa sure kasi self-study lang din ako. So, on, the, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. We also have the Monday to Sunday, but I actually forgot na. I think it's Lundi, Monday, Mercredi, Jeudi, Dimanche. Okay, so hindi ko na alam kung ano iba. And then I also learned the basic greeting for French. Bonjour, je m'appelle Trisha. Enchantée de te rencontrer. So we're also learning that. And then next is I have the reminders app. I always remind myself to drink vitamins kasi guys, sobrang importante ng vitamins. So y'all should too. I'm drinking stress tabs. Maybe it might work for you. Maybe it won't. Pero you can try it kasi ako medyo low blood ako. Nahihilo ako lagi. And it has iron. So yun yung iniinom ko. And it's multivitamin. So lahat na nandun. So isang tableta lang. So yeah. Oo nga pala, dun sa ilalim is the apps that I'm always using and I need fast access to, which are the messages, the phone, the contacts, phone book, ganon, the Safari and Messenger. Kasi dun ako lagi sa Messenger. Nakikipag-usap sa mga friends ko and sa family. And then yung text, same. And then phone, whenever I have to call someone. Safari for researching purposes. Researching! And then, on the third page, we all have the Google apps. So I have Google Keep. So in Google Keep, you can create a to-do list. And then on Google Sheets, parang Microsoft Excel lang siya, but online. And then slides, like PowerPoint presentation. And Google Calendar is because whenever we have meetings sa office, dito nilalagay. So all of us employees there are updated within Google Calendar. The next one is I have the calendar app from Apple, which is built in na siya. So this is where I put everything that I would do for the day. And then I have Netflix. Grabe guys, Netflix is life because whenever I'm bored, sad, happy, walang magawa in life, and pag lunchtime, dinner time, this is my only friend. I'm currently on the 3rd season of How to Get Away with Murder. If you're also watching that, comment down below. And the next one is, of course, I have the YouTube app. If you're wondering kung ba't wala akong YouTube Creator Studio, I've had that before, pero dinelete ko kasi hindi ko siya gets. So, dinelete ko na lang siya. And the next is I have Instagram, of course, and then Spotify, Viber, Telegram, and WeChat. So, those 3 apps are for work. And then Taskit is also for my freelance work. This is like Google Keep, pero mas collaborative siya because everyone can edit, everyone can see the activities, and may mga folders siya. Then next is I have the Reminders app. So, nandun yung mga drink vitamins ko, yung mga bibili ko sa grocery, yung mga to-dos ko. And then, on the 4th page of my phone, ito na yung mga maraming notification na ayoko kasi nang makalat. So, nandyan siya kasi hindi ko siya masyadong binivisit. So, I have Gmail. Yes, I always use that. Pero ang dami kasing notification lagi. So, nandyan siya sa likod. Pinterest, I usually use Pinterest on my desktop because it's more comfortable to scroll sa desktop. And then, next is I have the lifestyle folder. We have the Zap app. Hindi ko pa siya actually nagagamit and natatry. But we have this feature kasi in Buy stores in which may cashback ka if you use the Zap app. BDO and BPI are for transactions. Lazada, waldas, pera, and then Zomato whenever you're looking for restaurants or establishments and you want to know their prices, reviews, nandito siya sa Zomato. And then Waze, of course, for directions. And guys, grabe, I just want to give this appreciation post for Waze kasi sobrang helpful niya for everyday. I don't get lost because of this app. So, thank you to whoever made Waze. And then, next one is Bookie. Also, if tagtipid kayo, choose Bookie partners establishments kasi they give out freebies, they give out buy one, take one, 100 pesos off, may mga ganun sila. And you just have to join. You don't need to be Prime in order to avail certain kinds of promos. Then, next one is I have the Grab app. Hindi ko na siya masyadong ginagamit kasi naroon na ako mag-drive. So, Facebook, we all know Facebook. And guys, just a friendly tip. If you want to boost your productivity, ilagay nyo yung Facebook app sa pinakalikod ng cellphone ninyo para hindi nyo siya makita. Kasi I think we're all guilty of scrolling through our feeds ng ilang oras. So, nung nilagay ko yung Facebook app sa pinakalikod ng phone ko, hindi ko na siya masyadong nabubuksan. And it really boosted my productivity in working kasi hindi na ako nagsuscroll ng feed ko. I have Globe Rewards. If you're a Globe user and lagi kayong nagpapaload, download this app guys kasi meron silang mga pa-free promos, pa-free load and discounts. So, if yun nga, tagtipid din kayo, you can download this and maraming mga chuba-nek-nek dyan. And next is I have Vicus. This app is a video editing app in which it would make you a pro if mag-edit kayo ng mga videos. And the next one is I have the career folder. I think I made this when I was really motivated in life kasi sabi ko, okay, gusto ko maging girl boss, ganyan, ganyan. So, naglagay ako mga career, ganyan. Pupunta ako sa mga seminars. So, I have Microsoft Word and Eventbrite. If you are a fan of attending different kinds of events, then download Eventbrite kasi ang daming free events doon. And super helpful niya. You get first dibs on events na interested kayo. I have the language folder. Earlier, I said that I'm trying to learn another language. So yeah, I downloaded 4 different apps in which, yun nga, meron dito mga German, mga Russian, French, Spanish, but I want to focus on French muna. Pero yeah, I still downloaded these 4. So we have the Translator Plus, Duolingo, Buzu, and French Book. We have the health. So, itong lahat na to is related to my Apple Watch. And if you also want to know what's inside my Apple Watch, then comment down below. So, we have Film Vitality and Vitality Weekly. These two are from BPI Insurance. Health is for you to track your steps. Every day, you're walking and running distance, and also the activity and watch are for my Apple Watch. And then the 7 app is like, hindi ko pa din to natatry eh. But I think this gives you 7 minutes every day for you to copy a video or a posture in which it's a mini workout app. Okay, next is we have the photo and video. So, these are all my editors that I use. Actually, hindi lahat to ginagamit ko. But if you want a free, easy to navigate, and reliable app, you can use these. Lightroom sa phone, hindi ko masyadong ginagamit kasi I usually use Lightroom sa laptop ko na lang. And then, VSCO, I usually edit my Instagram photos here. I also have the sparkle and glitter cam. Parehas lang yung effect niya, pero wala. Ayoko siyang i-delete. And then, Mosaic is for your Instagram planning. Pixaloop, Filto, I haven't tried that yet, pero I saw the ads and maganda daw siya. Unfold is like for your Instagram stories in which you can make your Instagram stories more artsy daw. And then Canva. I also usually use Canva sa laptop din, pero whenever I have to edit something quickly, I have it here. I have the productivity apps, Keynote, Numbers, and Pages. Those are exclusively for Apple users. Keynote is like a PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft. Numbers is like Google Sheets, and Pages is like Microsoft Word. The next one is I have Google Drive. I don't also usually use this kasi nga sa laptop ulit. And then the Merriam-Webster. Cam Scanner is very, very reliable, guys. Especially if you want to have a clear photo of a document. Like, hindi kasi enough na pinicturean mo siya with your camera. Cam Scanner really helps it to make it look professional and cleaner. This is very reliable and I recommend you guys to download it. Carousel, if you're wondering kung bakit nasa productivity siya and hindi siya nasa lifestyle folder, is because before I was also trying to build my online shop there so I can sell pre-loved clothes. And then we have TED Talk because I always listen to the videos here. And yes, listen to the videos I don't usually watch because I play TED Talk whenever I'm doing something or I'm driving. Very helpful siya, guys, and very inspiring. And the next is I have Knife Hit. So, this is the only game that I play kasi it doesn't require you any commitment. So, pang palibas oras lang siya. Lastly is, in my 5th page, I have GarageBand. So, sa GarageBand, it's like if you want to be a DJ or if you want to make your own music, you can use this app. And then I have the utilities. Syempre, those are just the usual built-in apps from iPhone. And then the followers app. So, yung mga nag-unfollow sa akin dyan, malalaman ko kayo through this app. So, don't you dare. Ayun, nati-track nito yung mga nagbablock sa'yo, yung mga nag-unfollow sa'yo, yung mga new followers mo, people you don't follow back, nandyan siya lahat. Essentials folder. So, ito yung mga apps na sometimes helpful, sometimes I use it. Kaya nasa pinakalikod siya kasi ayoko na siyang makita. Pero whenever I need it, it's there. So, we have Lalamove, delivery, logistics purposes, Camera Connect. This is what I use to connect my camera to my phone. And then OLX, pag may bibenta kayo. And then GCash. So, this is like an online payment method. The next one is I have the leisure. So, ito yung mga karagdagang gastusan. Paggastos lang, palabas lahat ng pera dyan. So, if you want to try those out, from what I see, it's reliable. You can book online, you can order online. You can use it as a reference. And the next is I have the entertainment. These are the apps that I don't usually use but I want to keep kasi wala lang, for additional stuff. Just in case magsawa ako sa Netflix, sa Knife Hit, ganon. I want TV for ABS-CBN shows. iFlix for local, I think, local movies. And then Disney Life for Disney movies, of course. And then PUBG, I don't really play anymore. And then Kitchen Craze is because may cooking char ba dyan. Lastly is we have the calmness folder. It's because there are times we all feel depressed, sad, down. So I really need something to calm my mind, to turn to whenever I feel like I'm alone. So I have these apps to keep me calm and get me back on track. So yeah, I have inspirations. It gives me daily Bible verse and also it has reflections, I think, from other people. And the Bible, it's the complete book of the Bible, Old, New Testament, and dyan siya. And then Headspace and Calm, it's like a voiceover of whenever you want to try to sleep or have this deep focus, you can use this app. Then, daily yoga. So, hindi na ako masyado nakakommit dito. But daily yoga is very reliable if you're a yoga beginner like me. So, yun, very helpful din siya because it has videos in which you can just copy it and then you can relax while copying yung pose nung sa yoga. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope it helped you. Kung may mga apps kayo na na-curious kayo or meron din kayo, comment it down below. Share tayo ng mga thoughts, ng mga tricks doon. And by the way, guys, I also did a video of this one. So I have apps before that I don't have now and it might still help you if ever you're still looking for some app. And I'll link it down below. It's a what's on my iPhone 6 Plus version. If you also want to know what's inside my iPhone 6 Plus before, like baka may mga apps din doon na makatulong sa inyo, I'll link it down below so you can also watch it. So, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!